Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alina Ziani. My student number is 240107113. In this video, I want to share my critical review about two videos related to climate change and plastic pollution. Sometimes we don't realize that simple action like throwing plastic can have a big impact on our environment. We also often ignore how climate change affects animals and plants around us. So in this video, I will explain about videos, comparison, and also share my personal opinion. Okay, next, the first video told about climate change and how it affects animals and plants. It explained that many species must adapt quickly to survive in changing environments. Normally, evolution takes a very long time, but now it happens faster because of climate change. For example, 20 owls change their color from a gray to a brown because there is less snow. Salmon also change their breeding time to survive in warmer temperatures. However, not all species can adapt, so many of them still depend on human help. The second video tells the story of three plastic bottles and their different journeys. The first bottle ends up in landfill. The second bottle goes into the ocean, and the third bottle is recycled. Each of these outcomes show how human action can affect the environment in different ways. Okay, from the first video, I learned that evolution usually takes thousands of years, but climate change make it happen faster. This shows how serious the impact of climate change is on a living organism. From the second video, one shocking fact is that a plastic can take up to 1,000 years to decompose. Another important fact is that a plastic can become microplastic and enter the food chain. In my opinion, the most surprising part is that a plastic can return to a human through the food we eat. This means environmental problems can directly affect our health. The first video used cause and effect because it explained how climate change causes changes in animals and plants. The second video used chronological order because it showed the journey of plastic step by step, from production until disposal. In my opinion, the second video is easier to understand because it tells a story while the first video is more scientific. Okay, next, what if all plastic bottles were recycled like a bottle tree? I think the situation will be much better. First, there will be less plastic in the ocean, so marine animals will be safer. Second, landfill will not be as full as they are now. Third, recycling could reduce waste and help create new useful products. However, this is not the reality yet because many people still do not recycle properly. So, we need to improve our awareness and habits. After watching about video, I realized that plastic is not the main problem. The real problem is how people use and throw it away. I was surprised to learn that plastic can take up to 1,000 years to decompose and can even come back to human through the food chain. That is quite scary. So, my call to action is that I will start bringing my own reusable bottles and reduce single-use plastic. I will also remind people around me to recycle. Even small action can make a big difference. Thank you for watching my video. Let's start from small action like reducing plastic use, recycling, and caring more about our environment because our future depends on what we do today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.